Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into something truly exciting. How artificial intelligence and blockchain are reshaping our future, especially in industries like healthcare and finance. Let's start with AI, a technology that's not just about cool robots, but about systems that can think, learn, and make decisions. Imagine going to a doctor who uses AI to diagnose diseases. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's happening today. AI helps analyze medical data far quicker than humanly possible, making diagnoses faster and more accurate. Now, shifting gears to blockchain. This isn't just the tech behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a revolutionary way of recording transactions that's transparent and secure. In finance, blockchain is creating a trustless system where transactions are verified automatically without needing a middleman. And it's not stopping there. Industries like logistics are also getting a blockchain makeover, ensuring that everything from the supply chain to your delivery is smoothly managed with crystal clear accountability. So, why should we care? Well, whether you're a business professional, an entrepreneur, or just curious about tech, understanding these innovations is crucial. They're not just changing specific sectors, they're transforming how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Embracing these technologies can lead to significant economic growth and notably improve our quality of life. It's essential for anyone looking to stay relevant and competitive in our fast-evolving digital landscape. So, let's keep our eyes on these trends and see where they take us next. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to explore more tech trends with you. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.